So to say that I've been waiting for this package to arrive for quite a while would be an understatement, but I am super excited to say that I have perhaps not just the first Muse Ring 1 health and wellness tracker in my hands in Canada, but potentially in all of North America, and that is very exciting. It's going to take me a long time to do a long-term review and give you my thoughts on it, but I'm just going to unbox it, go through what's in the package. For all you guys who are eagerly waiting, because I know there are a lot of backers out there waiting for their Muse Ring 1s to arrive, but it is real. It is here in my hands. Let's get the overhead set up and unbox this together and go through what comes in the box. All right, so this is it. This is the Muse Ring 1 box. Just came straight from UPS today, and let's get inside and see what comes in the package. And for anyone who's not aware of the Ring 1, this was an Indiegogo-backed health and wellness tracker product that was initially released for backing years ago. So this product has been sort of in the ethos online, and people have been eagerly waiting for it for quite a while now. And here we have it in the flesh. So kind of like an Apple Watch here, you can see it's got two pull tabs, which will open up the package. Designed by Muse in Bangalore, India. So there you are. And time for the moment of truth. Let's open these tabs up. So there's a little saying on the inside here: commitment, individuality, and intelligence. I guess that represents sort of the ethos of the product. Oh, there's two more at the top here: courage and confidence. And then here is the ring itself. Oh, and that actually pulls up. But there is that. That's a pretty nicely designed piece of packaging there. We'll set that off to the side. Okay, so let's get started right at the top. Looks like some paperwork. So, 2-year warranty. That's nice. And there's the customer support information there. Keep that on hand. You never know if you're going to need it or not. So just a little bit of information there about the ring. It's the most fashionable smart ring ever. It can do NFC contactless payment. I don't know if that's actually going to be supported out of the box, or even if it's going to be supported in Canada at all, because I know this was something they were working to get certification for over in India at the time that this is shipped. So we'll wait and find out. So, and then yeah, just some information about how to wear the ring, how you can use the wheel on the outside of the ring. I didn't think that was actually shipping. Some people said that wasn't making it to the final product, so it's very exciting that it's potentially here. And then this is how the charging case works and how it represents the charge levels. Okay, so let's open this up a little more here. So we'll start not with the ring, we'll start with everything else first. So here's the charging case. There we go. And that's a great looking little charging case. It actually looks a lot like what the Samsung Galaxy Rings case looks like. If you've seen that, I'll put an image on the screen so you can compare. Just a little flip up. It's not a press to release, that would have been a nice touch, but you can just pull it open. So you can see there's the contact, so you can set the ring on there to charge. There's the charge indicator light, that's pretty cool. Power button on the back, cable for charging. Definitely a lot nicer than what my Ultra Human Ring Air's charger base looks like. But yeah, that just goes to show you the level of attention to detail they put into making this, which thankfully they have, because it has been a long time, as I said, that I've been waiting for this product to ship. Muse ring engraved on the front there. Yeah, all in all, very nice. It feels very solid in the hand too, nicely constructed overall. Set that down there. There's two silicone covers here. I don't know if these are protective covers or what, but I guess we'll find out in time. Set those to the side there. There's a little pouch here, which I believe is to store the ring in when not in use. That's nice. Feels like leather. 100% vegan, stamped on the top. That's nice. Oh, the ring is actually in here. Okay, so there we go. It's in the pouch. So not returnable once removed. Fair enough, Muse. This is recyclable, can be planted. That's a nice little touch there on the tag. And here is the ring itself. Now, the thing I'm having a problem with is I just read how you can turn the outer portion of the ring, but this doesn't seem to turn. So I wonder if they've changed the design decision after they printed all of the packaging. So you can see it says Ring 1 on the inside there. And you can see this is the Ultra Human Ring Air. They are the exact same size. So the Muse Ring 1 definitely seems to sit up a little bit higher on the finger. Maybe that's just an illusion from the ridging, but does look a little bit thicker. And if you look at them like this, yeah, it is definitely a little bit a little bit thicker than the Ultra Human Ring Air. I'll put those side by side there so you can get a little comparison of what they look like. Now I will say the Muse Ring 1, unlike the Ultra Human Ring Air where it has the bump here, there's no raised area. There are a couple of little notches on the inside of the Ring 1, but not quite as substantial as what's on the Ultra Human Ring Air. Now, the Ultra Human Ring Air's bump does not bother me, so I'm sure this also won't bother me either, but just be aware that that is how they do it. So you can see Muse is engraved on the top there, both sides, all the way around actually. And I believe they are going to do multiple finishes of the ring as well. This is obviously in black. So let's go and see what else we have here inside of the case. Okay, so this is just the charging cable, which looks exactly like an iPhone USB-C charging cable. Okay, so there we have it. And that is everything from inside the package. And just a final message on the inside, a statement of boldness, a symbol for health. And that's it. So again, this is what we got. We got our charging case. We got our Ring 1 with the little plantable tag. We got the little vegan leather storage pouch, charging cable, and we got these silicone covers, which I guess could go over the ridges on the ring as a protective cover, if that was something that you wanted to do. It doesn't bode well as a first impression that it ships with these, because that probably means these ridges are subject to scratching and dinging and denting pretty easily. But we're going to find out over the long haul as I wear and test this ring out for you guys. And that is how you seat it in the charging case. And it does stay in there, which is actually quite a nice touch that it doesn't move around on you. So you could definitely just travel with it like that if you didn't want to be wearing it. That's a pretty handsome little travel case if you don't want to carry it in the storage pouch. And that is it. That is the Muse Ring 1 unboxing experience. So again, I've been waiting a very, very long time for this guy to finally arrive. So I will definitely be taking my time to put it through its paces and come up with a full long-term review for you. And luckily I have my Ultra Human Ring Air that I can use. I can compare the metrics that the two rings are producing, generating, reporting, and give you an idea, is this the best fitness tracker you can get potentially, and now that they're shipping? Or is something like the Ultra Human or the Aura, something more well-known, still the way to go? Stay tuned, be sure to get subscribed to the channel so you do not miss the long-term review. Let me know what you guys think about the Muse Ring 1. Let me know if you're excited to get yours, if you are a backer. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next one.